Hi, with Easter coming up, you may be thinking of buying a chocolate egg for your young child, but beware the prices and the size of the eggs. Manufacturers are cutting back on size and adding more to the price because of the cost of cocoa, which is going up. Or in some cases, they may just be doing that because that's what manufacturers do. So check out what you're buying before you buy it. And maybe if it's in a box and you can't quite see what's really in there under the cardboard, see if you can sort of shake it, feel the weight of it, put your fingers in and prod around, see if it's really a whole egg or just a half, or uh, uh, one that isn't really egg shape in size inside, but just sort of warped a bit to make it smaller. Um, Also, you can look at the unit price, the price per so many grams, and compare that with other chocolates and other chocolate eggs to see if you're getting a good deal. You don't want a disappointed child or a disappointed you. Um, there are lots of alternatives, of course. For a start, a young child doesn't really need a chocolate egg. They don't know about them or they don't remember from last year, probably. They'll be perfectly happy with something else, with no chocolate at all. Perhaps chocolate isn't even the best thing for them. I mean, some people avoid chocolate with their young child because it might make them hyper or be bad for their teeth. Some children are not able to have chocolate because of some allergy or health reason. So there's no reason you have to buy a chocolate egg for your child, even if your neighbours and friends and family are. That's entirely up to you. You can just play a lovely game with them, take them to the park, something like that. See nature, see spring out there, enjoy it. Or if you want something chocolatey, you can do things that cost less and are fun to make, you and them together, like chocolate crispy cakes with perhaps some nice cheap but perfectly fine cooking chocolate and some Rice Krispies or cornflakes. Mix it all together. Follow a recipe for that. Dead simple. Um, or just buy a little cheap cake, a little chocolate Swiss roll or something, perhaps, if you can get a small value one, and make some homemade icing sugar and chocolate powder, put it on top. That's a chocolatey thing. Make a little cardboard chick or rabbit together, perhaps, and colour it in, give it a nice smile, and put that beside it. That'll do great. All sorts of little things you can do to make Easter fun without spending a lot of money. A little pack of mini eggs, little tiny ones, those ones in shells or little chocolate ones. Um, One or two packs of those, affordable price, in a bowl for everyone to tuck into together, perhaps with a rule no more than three each, or you can do that as a treasure hunt, each child allowed to collect however many you can spare for each child, hidden around the room. Great fun. So have fun with whatever you decide to do, and if you're not doing anything, that's great too. See you again soon. Bye.